I feel happy to share that Association of Professional Social Workers and Development Practitioners has completed 6 years of existence, and we are celebrating 6th anniversary of the association. I recall the time, it was 2014, when practitioners and philanthropists from various backgrounds, including academician Dr. Monica Munjal Singh, Dr. Joginder Kumar Yadav, Rekha, Dr. Sumit Arora, Amitosh Dogra, Sharad Singh, has come forward in conceiving this organization. I also recall the journey, how we have started in 2014, and it got launched under the blessings and patronage of the then Governor Haryana, His Excellency Professor Kaptan Singh Solanki. Our portal was launched at Raj Bhavan, and we moved forward, and we have always tried to put annual celebration of World Social Work Day in Chandigarh, and so we are the pioneers of introducing World Social Work Day in Chandigarh, and we are celebrating it with full vigor in the city by collaborating with civil society organizations, with government, with academicians, with various educational institutions. In addition to it, we also have got partnership with eminent national level organizations like the Climate Reality Project India, Punjab Energy Development Agency, Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Youth Development, State Legal Services Authority Chandigarh. I also just want to recall that how this association has came into existence, the genesis of Association of Professional Social Workers and Development Practitioners. It all started when I was having an opportunity with the UNESCO in Japan in 2014, where I happened to meet global leaders, diplomats, and UN officials. There I got inspiration and to work on developing a professional organization which can cater to the needs of and social workers and work widely on spreading the awareness, sensitization, and partnership with the Sustainable Development Goals 2030 Global Agenda. And gradually, with the support from all the founding members, we have been able to widespread our network by involving various educational institutions, government organizations, civil society organizations, and got partnership with many eminent national level and global organizations as well. We have also been given special consultative status with United Nations Economic and Social Council and also Department of Global Communication in 2019, which is our landmark and the highest milestone which we have achieved so far in the last 6 years. And we also wish in future to increase our membership base among professionals from social work background and also from development sectors, including public health, disaster management, engineering sciences, IT, ICTs, psychology, and other disciplines of arts as well. And we would like to have, our mandate to establish a Center for Excellence on Social Welfare. APSWDP wishes all the professionals in social work domain and development sector a great time, and we all welcome everyone into this sector to get associated with us, to get partnership with us in taking social work education to a wider community, to far-flung areas where resources are limited. The key mandate of Association of Professional Social Work is to promote social work education for sustainable development.
recognized by UNESCO. In that competition, you succeeded and became the representative.
5,000 exports ने apply किया था under 35 उसमें एशियन कंट्रीज के लिए
एशियन कंट्री
अकेला कई देशों के बीच में अकेला बनाई थी ड्राफ्ट के लिए उसमें भी मैं नामित हूँ।
समाज सेवा को लेकर के वर्ल्ड सोशल वर्क डे मार्च के तीसरे मंगलवार को आता है। आज तीसरा मंगलवार है और इसलिए वो दिवस आज ही है। संयुक्त राष्ट्र संघ के स्तर पर जो यूनाइटेड नेशंस की शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में, विज्ञान के क्षेत्र में, सांस्कृतिक क्षेत्र में काम करने वाली जो अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर की संस्था है यूनेस्को, उसकी आज 70वीं एनिवर्सरी है। आज से एक नई संस्था जिसका जन्म 2014 में हुआ है, श्री विवेक त्रिवेदी जी ने उसका प्रारंभ किया है। एसोसिएशन ऑफ प्रोफेशनल सोशल वर्कर्स एंड डेवलपमेंट प्रोफेशनल्स। वो सोशल वर्क डे का जो पूरा सप्ताह का कार्यक्रम आज से प्रारंभ कर रहे हैं। चंडीगढ़ में 22 मार्च तक विभिन्न कार्यक्रमों के माध्यम से पब्लिक अवेयरनेस, सामाजिक कार्य के लिए जनता में एक जनमत तैयार करने का प्रयास करेंगे। 21वीं शताब्दी में देश के लिए सोशल प्रॉब्लम्स के निराकरण के लिए यह महत्वपूर्ण काम है। इस सप्ताह का प्रारंभ चूक आज के दिन से हो रहा है, तो आज ये संस्था जो एसोसिएशन ऑफ सोशल प्रोफेशनल वर्कर्स एंड डेवलपमेंट प्रैक्टिशनर्स है, उनके पदाधिकारीगण प्रमुख सभी हरियाणा राजभवन में आज आए हैं। हमारी उनसे मुलाकात हुई है। आज का शुभारंभ मेरे मुख्य आतिथ्य में यहाँ पर हुआ है। इस संस्था को मैं बधाई भी देना चाहता हूँ, शुभकामनाएं देना चाहता हूँ। देश के लिए, राष्ट्र के लिए, समाज की समस्याओं के निराकरण के लिए इसकी बहुत बड़ी आवश्यकता है। और मैं इस अवसर पर यह अपील भी करना चाहता हूँ कि राज्य सरकार, केंद्र की सरकार, सभी सामाजिक संस्थाएं इस विषय को लेकर के आगे आएं। देश की तरक्की में, देश के उत्थान में इसका बहुत बड़ा महत्व है और बहुत अच्छे काम इसके माध्यम से किए जा सकते हैं।
May I now request Mr. Harit Mohan to formally welcome the August gathering of professionals. And as you all know, you are young future leaders of our country. So I would request Mr. Harit to address the future leaders of our country.
that is one important factor why it is important for our country, right? Second reason is our agriculture.
Yes.
Okay. See, now agriculture is not the main contributor.
I feel a sense of pride in sharing the experience and the journey we've all been through together. It was a wonderful start which we had when we opened this organization, and everyone came together. The pitfalls, the journey together, the ups and downs, the working together, and how each day has been a learning experience. And I feel that these 6 years have really taught each one of us to venture out in different areas, to work for in an integrated way. Getting the UN status was a matter of big pride for each one of us, and everyone put in efforts at all levels. We've been working on climate change, we've been working on disaster, we've been working with the students of social work of different colleges all through India, and internationally also. The APSWD has made a lot of name and also got a lot of appreciation at all quarters and all levels. So I feel that each day we have been growing, and we've also had a lot of people joining us at from different walks of life, which is a big motivational factor for us. And I wish that APSWD grows even more and is known all through the globe. And I feel that each one of us should all come together and work for this.
I feel very happy and privileged to share that we have successfully completed our 6 years of journey of Association of Professional Social Workers and Development Practitioners. It was a long journey, and we have faced a lot of challenges, a lot of issues, and despite the fact we have accomplished everything, and we have successfully worked on almost all social aspects ranging from climate change, human trafficking, and we have also tried to promote sustainable development goals of the United Nations. Circular economy and electronic waste was another topic that we have covered, and we tried to impart this training to a lot of individuals from the education sector as well as from the development sector to understand what exactly is circular economy and how we can shift from linear economy to circular economy. So far we have reached almost 15 to 20,000 individuals from different walks of life, and we have tried to enhance our coverage area, and we are trying to reach to the community as far as it is possible for us. So far we have increased our membership base also, and we have different categories of members. So we are trying to work on increasing our membership base, because it will give us a lot of strength, because having people from different walks of life will also increase our own potential to work in more areas, to explore different dimensions of different areas. And we have our action plans, we have our roadmap that we will try to work out more on increasing our base, not only at the regional level but also at the national as well as international level. and we are also trying to work on partnership development with agencies of great reputation and agencies that are pioneer in different domains. We have the future plans with us. We are trying to cover more and more areas in different regions. So last but not the least, I again feel great honor that being part of this APSWDP family has given me a lot of hopes and lot of courage, so that we can excel jointly. And I always believe that knowing is not enough, we must apply, and willing is not enough, we must do. So based on this quote, we all will try to work more hard in future so that we can yield better outcomes.
The next one for consideration is Association of Professional Social Workers and Development Practitioners. Does any delegation wish to make any comment or pose any question regarding this application? I see none. May I take it this is the wish of the committee to recommend that a special consultative status be granted to this organization? I hear no objection. It is so decided.
And therefore, the activities which you are doing, I have seen Vivek working with me, and then after that, the growth which he has done on his own, there is no contribution of mine in his growth and development. I am saying growth and development because these are the two different words, and we should work on development. So I must compliment Vivek, and I must learn from him how he has grown and how he has developed at this age also. I am sure I will learn from you, Vivek, and I will also learn from your team of APSWDP.
The work of this association remained commendable during the COVID period. It is working for the achievement of the sustainable goals which are for the welfare of the humanity. I wish all the best to this association.
तो आज के दिन मुझे ये बात करते हुए बड़ी खुशी हो रही है कि चंडीगढ़ में एसोसिएशन ऑफ प्रोफेशनल सोशल वर्कर एंड डेवलपमेंट प्रैक्टिशनर की जो एक संस्था है, एनजीओ है, उनका 6 साल उनके पूरे हो रहे हैं। और ये एक बड़ी हैरानी की बात है कि आज के युग में कि 6 साल में जितना अचीवमेंट इन लोगों ने कर लिया है इस एसोसिएशन ने, जिसके साथ मैं भी जुड़ा हुआ हूँ, वो काबिल तारीफ़ है। और हम सोशियोलॉजी में यूजली पढ़ते हैं कि 10 तरह के सोशल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हमें पढ़ाए जाते हैं, जैसे फैमिली है, सोशल क्लास है, ये सब चीज़ें, और प्रोफेशनल एसोसिएशन। तो ये माना गया कि जैसे जैसे सोसाइटी एडवांस होगी उसमें ये एनजीओ का रोल बढ़ता जाएगा। तो ये जो भी काम ये एसोसिएशन कर रही है, ये मॉडर्नाइजेशन वाले ये बात कर रहे हैं या आगे के ज़माने की बात करें, फ्यूचर की बात करें, तो फ्यूचर ओरिएंटेड है। और जो अच्छी चीज़ मुझे लगी कि हम अपने सब्जेक्ट में कहते हैं कि अगर विल है, अगर आप में अंदर जज्बा है, तो आप सब कर लेंगे जो करना चाहते हैं। तो इस एसोसिएशन के जो लोग हैं सारे, जैसे विवेक जी हैं या सुमित है या और लोग जो इससे जुड़े हुए हैं, वो सब मिल के एज ए ग्रुप काम कर रहे हैं। और इनमें जो अंदर की भावना है, जो काम करने की जो जज्बा है, वो यकीनन उनको सफलता के मार्ग पे आगे ले जाएगा। मेरी तरफ से सबको शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
That I have been associated with this beautiful organization which has been founded by Mr. Vivek Trivedi, and he's a very good motivator. And apart from this, he has actually given opportunities to everyone, including me, to work for the community and to help all those who have been in need at this need of hour. I am a lifetime member of this wonderful organization, and it is my privilege to be a part of this worthy organization, and I really wish all the best, all from my heart, and I wish that all the worthy members of this wonderful organization to keep working hard and to help everyone as and when it is required. Thank you.
This is a good opportunity for me that the association of social work that Vivek ji is leading. I was also associated with this organization some time back, but I must say that this is one of that organization where the rate of growth and development is phenomenal. I mean, I have not seen any organization growing at such a fast pace, and nowadays social media, WhatsApp, etc. are good indicators. So every day I find that the members are achieving different milestones maybe in any sector. You know that social developmental goals, SDG, touches many fields. So every day you find that members have done either some social work, social service, they have arranged some courses and done so much of things, and so much so that now not only they have been recognized by Niti Aayog, but the United Nations has also recognized them and have included them in their formal sort of fora where special recognition has been given to them. This is a rare thing. I mean, in COVID period also, I saw that they turned everything, all these stones down, and then they have progressed so much and contributed to the society so much that other organizations, they even think, but they believe in action, and I have all the blessings to them and support to them that they should progress at still further pace and keep contributing to the society. All the best.
Happy 6th year anniversary APSWDP. I have been proud to be a part of APSWDP family from last few years and excited to be a part of many years to come. I congratulations to the team of APSWDP under leadership of Mr. Vivek Trivedi for various achievements and convey my best wishes to coming.
Dear Association of Professional Social Workers and Development Practitioners Community, wow, it is a big successful success. It has been an incredible ride. Immediately coming back from Thailand, I joined the society From my very first day, I got the chance to see many great personalities in person at social service during COVID-19, at office meetings and webinars. The dedication I saw in the team under dynamic leadership of Mr. Vivek Trivedi is unbelievable. The teamwork has proven in the last 6 years is reflecting that it has got the special consultative status with Economic and Social Council ECOSOC of United Nations and associated with the Department of Global Communication DGC of the United Nations and Niti Aayog, Formal Planning Commission of India. It was really a great opportunity for me to interact, communicate and work as a team member on behalf of society with senior administration of Chandigarh. All the best to the great team and thanks for listening me.
मैं APS WDP के सभी इसके मेंबर्स और इसके फाउंडर सबको मुबारकबाद देना चाहती हूँ इनके 6 साल पूरे होने पर कि इतनी मुस्तैदी से ये लोग काम करते हैं। भगवान इनको ऐसे ही इनकी एसोसिएशन बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल रहे और जो कि है भी बहुत।
My journey with Association of Professional Social Workers and Development Practitioners started in the year 2017 when I became a life associate member of APS WDP. I was blessed to be involved in the documentation and reporting part for APS WDP in my earlier time in 2017, where I started with the documentation of wheelchair cricket. I was blessed to be a part of leading the programs in the year 2019 in November, when the founder of APS WDP, he asked me to lead the program because he was going to South Korea for one of the conferences. And by the grace of God and with the hard work of the team, we were able to execute that particular program in 6 different locations on one single day, where 4 climate reality leaders, they sensitized audience on climate change and solutions. The period of 9 months starting from March 2020 to November 2020 reminds me of a Chinese bamboo plant called Mozo, which has horizontal growth for first 5 years, and you'll not believe in the 6th year it shoots vertically. So the growth in 6th year is very fast. So if I relate it to our association, which is Association of Professional Social Workers and Development Practitioners, so these 9 months we have worked in various different spheres. COVID-19 gave us an opportunity to work relentlessly in different areas. I still remember the time when the lockdown was imposed after March 22nd, 2020, and we started visiting different areas in the Tri-City, and we got to know about the problems faced by the community, or you can say marginalized communities, during this pandemic. So we were able to address some of those issues which was being faced by the marginalized communities and the migrating laborers from the Tri-City. Second, we were able to organize a lot of webinars during this period aligned with the objectives of APS WDP and UN 75. So some of those dialogues were on climate crisis, gender equality, impact of digital technologies under the ambit of SDGs, an era of violence and conflict. So these were some of the areas on which we organized a series of dialogues during this particular time. Third, we were able to complete the documentations and reports for these programs on time with the ongoing pandemic, as we were able to devote a lot of time for the development of the association and we as a member of the association. Fourth, the founder of APS WDP gave us an opportunity to upgrade our knowledge in different areas. So we were able to attend different programs organized by international bodies as well as national bodies, which enhanced our knowledge in social work sector. Fifth, we are all geared up now to celebrate the 6 years of completion of APS WDP this year. It is the time to create that synergy now, and let us all follow the Chinese bamboo plant Mozo in which, as I shared with you earlier, that 6th year is the time of vertical growth. So already our vertical growth has started happening, and let's take it together ahead, in which now we start growing vertically. Thank you very much.